Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to understand two important concepts in electronics: atomic structure and energy bands. These ideas help us understand why some materials conduct electricity while others do not. Let's begin with atomic structure. Every object in this world is made of tiny particles called atoms. Each atom has a central part called the nucleus, which contains protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and together they give the atom most of its mass. Surrounding the nucleus are electrons. Electrons carry a negative charge and move around the nucleus in specific paths called shells or energy levels. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. These valence electrons are very important because they decide whether a material will be a conductor, a semiconductor, or an insulator. If an atom has 1 to 3 valence electrons, it is usually a good conductor, like copper. Atoms with exactly 4 valence electrons act as semiconductors, such as silicon. And atoms with 5 or more valence electrons are typically insulators, like rubber or glass. Now let's move to the second concept: energy bands. In isolated atoms, electrons can have only certain fixed energy levels. But when many atoms come together to form a solid, these energy levels split into groups called energy bands. There are two main bands: the valence band and the conduction band. The valence band contains electrons that are tightly bound to the atom. These electrons cannot move freely, so they do not take part in conduction. Above it is the conduction band, where electrons are free to move. Electrons in this band act like carriers of electric current.